Hello everyone. Today we will look at how to add a property and units on the Bloc Solutions platform. I am now on the home page. I will click on Properties in the left column. Then on the green button, Add a property. I will now enter my address. I click on Next. Don't forget to click on Take Photo before clicking on Next. And once I'm done, I click on Save. That's it. My building is created. I will now add my unit. So I click on the plus sign right here, Add Unit. I enter all the information. I click on Next. Here I can either save or I can click on Continue if I want to add more information on my unit. But for this tutorial, we'll click on Save. So that's it. I have now my building and my unit added to the platform. So next step will be to create my first electronic lease.